Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have a giveaway today. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's home, staying safe. This is a good way to protect your home right now since a lot of us are at home and working from home. This is what it looks like out of the box. I'm going to give away a brand new one, courtesy of Kitty Hook. And if you guys need any more, check out the link down below. This is a really nice wireless camera. 1080p, waterproof, IP65, I do believe. Look at this. Boom. There's a magnetic. Bam. This is how you power it up. You can. This is how to remove the cover. It's got to pinch both sides, the circle, and pull. And there's an app you're going to have to download. This is what it looks like. QR code, SD slot, reset buttons right there. Speakers right there. And that's about it. For the inside, just shut it. And then back here is going to be the memory card and the USB charge. Right, or the power and the USB. Mine's already charged though, so there's a blue light flashing. That means it's good to go. And like I said, there's an app for iPhone or Android. I'm using the Galaxy S20 Ultra to record, and here's the iPhone. VidCo is going to be the app you're going to need. Oh, see, I'm going to have to sign in. It's going to set up your password and all that good stuff, your Wi-Fi. Just make sure you know your passwords. But it's really easy to set up. As you can see in my other unboxing video a couple days ago. Here we go. Update. It's the first update I have to do. Okay. Update. VidCo. Firmware update now. See, it's going to tell you system version.
Upgrade in process.
There you go. See, it talks. But this is a really nice camera. Great sensitive sensors. Pick you up in a second. 1080p, IP65, 100% wire free, events detection, and there's apps. VidCo, AI inside. But I'm not gonna open this. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's already. But this is what it looks like. I have so many cameras right now, so that's why I'm giving this away. I have no use. It comes with everything in here. Like I said, never been used. And they just sent me one to give away to you guys. All you gotta do is, I'm gonna leave my Instagram post down below in the description. All you gotta do is click on that link. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, give me a follow, subscribe to this channel, and comment on the Instagram where you're from, like hashtag Detroit, hashtag Chicago, hashtag Vegas, stuff like that. Just let me know.
Great success.
There it goes. That's a good thing. Just let me know what city. Just use the hashtag in front of it. Hashtag California. Hashtag Los Angeles. Hashtag Toronto. So, like I said, I'll pick one winner, and probably soon, probably in 2 weeks, I'll be picking a winner. So, like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below. It'll take you to my Instagram page. Drop a comment on the video, where you're from. Like I said, using the hashtag wherever city you're from. So, okay, now I can show you this a little bit more. It upgraded. But yeah, this is really nice quality cam. I think they're like under $100. So I mean, really affordable. And like I said, it's always a good thing to be 5 seconds ahead of the person. Hopefully it never happens, but you never know. But this will be. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, you guys heard that. You could tilt it, make it a wide, kind of like that. has a loud echo, but sensitive, really sensitive. Let's see if I can pull that up. Let's turn the volume down, all the way down for that one. Watch this. You'll get notifications on your phone too if you set it up that way, or you could set up probably, I think, via email. You'll get notified if somebody is in your area that is not supposed to be there. And let's pick it up. Let's see, maybe it's still connecting. Let's try it again. Should have popped up. Maybe because I'm in. Well, look how clear that is, though. Look at that. That is crazy. It's live. See that? Boom. And then, let me shut the app. My iPhone. Should just pop up. Maybe it's still processing. But once, like I said, you could tell definitely, you'll notice once you get a intruder, it'll alert you right away. But usually it does, but right now it's being stubborn. But everything works. Like I said, this is a brand new one, and this was I did an unboxing. So I'm gonna try to find out where I'm gonna put it. So I'm gonna use this camera. Never know. But this one is you guys. It's for free. For free. Use the link down below. Like I said, hashtag where you from. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel. And I'll pick one winner. Good luck to everybody. Be safe. Have a good day. Good night. And see you guys soon.